Hello and welcome to this special segment called MC Pro Select Stock of the Day. In this segment, we bring to you fundamentally strong stock ideas that you can consider in your portfolio. So today's stock of the day is Mahindra Mahindra Limited. If we talk about the company, then it is one of the most diversified automobile company in India. The company has presence across two-wheelers, three-wheelers, PVs, CVs, tractors and earth movers. Now Mahindra has 3 automotive manufacturing plants in India. Mahindra also has 6 plants in India that manufacture farm equipment. But what are the key triggers for the company, you may ask? Automotive segment continues to be very strong. The company is a pure play manufacturer of SUVs. It has number 1 position in SUV, where revenue market share stood at 23% in Q3 financial year 2025. Now the company has debuted in EV segment with the launch of 2 products, BE6 and XEV9e. Unlike its competitors who position EVs as fuel-saving cars, M&M is positioning its EVs as lifestyle SUV. Light commercial vehicle projecting a robust growth. M&M has number 1 position in more than 3.5 ton LCV segment. It has a market share of 51.9%. In the electric 3-wheeler, it has a market share of 42.9%, making it number 1 in the market. Now, farm equipment services going strong. FES market share continued its upward trajectory, reaching 44.2% by the end of the Q3 financial year 2025. Now, the tractor industry growth expected driven by the strong reservoirs. Now, Rabi sowing and record Kharif crop also contributes. The company has been facing the troubles in the international market, thus might look for the structural changes. The acquisition of SML Isuzu, the company has entered into an agreement to acquire a 58.96% stake in SML Isuzu Limited. Now this will make the company stronger presence in more than 3.5 ton commercial vehicle. Currently, M&M has only 3% market share in this segment. With the acquisition, the market share will rise to 6%. With that, it's a wrap. For more such updates, keep watching moneycontrol.com and please like, share and subscribe to Moneycontrol's YouTube channel.